Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to reseat a tire. This is actually an old quad I bought that I'm going to rebuild. But I'm not going to make a video over this one. But look at this tire, how it's just completely off the rim. I'm going to show you how to reseat it. Very, very simple. Okay, so the way I do it is I use a ratchet strap. And I literally just wrap a ratchet strap around it. I lift it up and try to make sure it's somewhat centered. Right there, it's kind of on there, kind of not. But if we try to put air in it, you'll see that it won't take any air. That's just all the air leaking out the sides. So, how I reseat tires is I use a ratchet strap. I lift the wheel over it. And I literally just start ratcheting so it's fairly tight on there. So as you can see, it kind of fills in all those gaps now. As you can see, it's starting to take air. And this is where you kind of got to be careful. But pretty much just stay away from it. Stay away from that where it clamps. You shouldn't have any issues. But now, just literally just loosen it. There you go, reseated. When I tell you it's that simple, I know I've done this a few times, but it's really that simple. And that's all it takes to reseat a tire. Literally took me maybe 1 minute. And literally just pull this off. Tire's reseated. Anyways, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.